since I have only 5 minutes, let me concentrate only in the fields of Ministry of Road Transport and Highway, which all the funds allocated in the state of the Northeast are as follows. Number one, in Arunachal Pradesh, the fund allocated is rupees 5,327 crores. In Assam, rupees 34,198 crores. In Manipur, 13,779. In Meghalaya, 7,219. In Mizoram, 16,606. In Nagaland, 10,643. In Sikkim, 4,494 crores. In Tripura, 5,106 crores. The total for 8 states of the Northeast are 97,372 crores. Honorable Chairperson, I would like to speak that this new budget is not only for Andhra Pradesh and Bihar. It is also for the development of the Northeast. And secondly, among the 8 states of the Northeast, Mizoram is the second highest of the road and highway budget holder under the Ministry of Road Transport and Highway, next to Assam. I express my heartfelt thanks to Honorable Minister Sri Gadkari ji. In Mizoram, road transport is the most dominant means of transport because other means of transport such as railway and waterways are hardly to be functioned since it is a hilly region. A good road network is vital to the economic development of the state of Mizoram. The total length of all types of roads in Mizoram is 9,147 km, among which 1,470 km long is national highway. Most of them are under construction and most of them are to be continued during this financial year. All the funds have been allocated for this new budget. The ongoing works of the construction of 2-lane roads of National Highway 54, Aizawl to Tuipang Road, which is 299 km long, is under construction and 74% of the work is completed. Honorable Chairperson, we need 14 hours to reach Tuipang town from Aizawl in the past year, but now we need only 8 hours because of Ministry of Road Transport and Highway. But it is still under construction. We need more funds in this year. So the fund to complete this work is newly allocated. Thank you so much. It is a great achievement under Modi's government for Mizoram. Another new double-lane road that is 169 km long, which starts from Aizawl to Champhai, which is on Myanmar border, is also under construction, and 92% of the work has been completed. We used to take 10 hours before, but now we need only 5 hours to reach Champhai town. Because of whom? Because of Modi's government. Another new road, Lunglei to Tlabung, which is Bangladesh border, is also under construction. The road stretches 74.9 km long and 22% is completed. Another 78% is still under construction, which is to be finished next year, according to the project. In the southernmost part of Mizoram, the Ministry of Road Transport had also declared new national highway, Longmasu to Zorinpui, amounting rupees 489.01 crores of the project cost, which is to be started this year. Another new road, Kaifang to Tuivai, 182 km long, is also under construction. Aizawl bypass road amounting rupees 1,748.87 crores is also to be constructed soon. Lastly, the Honorable Union Minister Gadkari ji has also declared that rupees 1,742 crores for construction of Silchar to Aizawl 4-lane road, which is to be started this year.
Please conclude.
In view of all these development works under Ministry of Road Transport and Highway, the Union budget for 2024 to 2025 is good enough for northeastern state, especially for the state of Mizoram. Thank you.